As you have already seen in the course overview, this course provides you with a novel blend of theory and in-depth walkthroughs and demos of some real-world scenarios and use cases which you will be able to leverage immediately in your own projects. The introduction modules will help you understand the AWS ecosystem better and aid you in selecting the right AWS services suitable for your own technical and business requirements. After the introductory modules, we will take a deep dive into all the major services and techniques we can leverage to monitor our AWS infrastructure and make sure that it is running in an optimal fashion. We hope you enjoy this course and find it instrumental in your day-to-day work and business practices. See you in the next lecture, where we will learn more about the AWS platform and the services it offers.